Hey Rick, how's it going? Thank you very much for opening the video. My name is Lucas, and I was talking with Carlos that I noticed that you guys are missing out in a lot of kitchen remodels by not showing up on Google when somebody looks for a kitchen remodel. And this is three things that I found on your website that you can fix really easily. So in that aspect, you can start beating Lars Remodel and Miramar Kitchen and Bath, which when you look up for San Diego Kitchen Remodel, these are the guys that show up at the very top here and here. And you could be there with no problem by implementing these three things. You may wonder why I even make this video for you, and the answer is simple. I know that business owners are really busy taking care of their business and their customers, so they don't really have time to learn how to use the internet, bring them more business. And also, when it comes to hire somebody to do that for you, it's really hard to tell who's an expert and who's not. So I like to make these educational videos, and I send them for free to the business owners so they can have all this information. And a lot of them, they like to take it and put it in action themselves, but some of them they call me and they have me doing it for them. So either one is good for me. I just do this because it's my passion and it's what I like to do. But if you like the video and you like what you see, please give me a call back or send me an email and I can do it for you with no problem. That said, let's jump into the video. I want to tell you about three things that I know, sorry, that the Google search engine is what it uses to rank a website at the very top. This is content, citations, and backlinks. So you can imagine content is everything that is on your website. All the text, all the pictures, what is behind the pictures, and also how the pictures are saved as, okay? So when you paste it here, oops, sorry. So when you paste it here, all right, there you go. You see that you have about 200 words of content on your front page. Usually, Google likes to see about 2,000 words of keyword-rich content on your page. Okay, so that way they can find you when somebody is looking for a service, and they can show it to them. As you see, for example, one of your competitors, Lars Remodel, these guys have about 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. And Miramar Kitchen and Bath as well, a lot of pictures and a lot of content. You have already a very good-looking website, but adding a page for kitchen remodels and adding those 2,000 words of keyword-rich content, it would be really useful. Keywords are basically the terms that people look up the most regarding your services, and then you make a list of them and drop them several times within that content in order for Google to be able to find you when they look it up. All right. Second thing I want to talk about is backlinks. You see here when I put your website, you have 48 referring domains, and that's what a backlink is. It's basically another website that puts a link that when you click in it, it takes you back over here. Okay, it drives all the traffic here, and that works kind of like a popularity contest. So Google loves to see a bunch of relevant websites vouching for you, and as you can imagine, you can get a backlink from any website, but it's not the same that you get a backlink from a website that talks about fashion or about food, as if you get a backlink for a website that is a construction company or another remodeling company. Google loves to see those companies within the same niche vouching for you and giving you those backlinks. That's what it gives you the real power to come up here. With way less backlinks, you could be way up. Okay? So this is the tool that we use here, Ahrefs. And when I put your website, it tells me you have 48 referring domains. This is really good. 48 websites out there that somewhere in the website they have a link that takes you back over here. But as you see, Lars Remodel, for example, they have 74. I mean, a market and Bath, they just have 38. How can they be higher? Because what I just told you, they're really powerful domains. They're really powerful websites about the same niche, and that's why they hire. So how you can fix this? Just copy them. If they're good to rank them, they're good to rank you as well. So you go through every single one of these and through every single one of these, make an account and you drop a link to your profile over there. You drop a link to your website on your profile, sorry. So that way you have the same ones as they do, and then you can build some extra on top. So that way you're not just matching them, you're beating them, and you're securing this spot over here between that and the 2,000 words of keyword rich content. Last thing I want to talk about is citations. That is how you get over here. And all you need to do is have more citations than your competition. A citation is basically your business information in a directory. Okay, so you want to have it in as many directories throughout the web as you can. So let's say directories are basically yellow pages, Facebook, white pages, Yelp, and stuff like this. Okay, it's thousands out there. So what you do is you check how many citations your competitor has, and let's say they have 150. Me personally, I would go for like 300, but usually you just need to put about 100 more. Okay, that way you're ensuring that first spot because when they realize that you outrank them and they start building citation, you start doing the same thing. So that makes it really hard for them to ever catch up with you. So let's do a little recap. You need 2,000 words of keyword-rich content either on your front page or in another web page exclusively for kitchen remodels. Then you need to build a strong backlink profile. You can start doing it by copying your competition, all right, and then adding some more on top. And last but not least, the citations. Build at least 100 more citations than your top competitor. And that way, you'll be securing those first two spots and all the extra costs and business that come with it. If you're interested in doing this, I would recommend you to start as soon as possible, since implementing all this takes some time, and the sooner you're done, the sooner you're beginning all those calls. So if you like what you've seen in this video and you want me to help you doing it, please give me a call or send me an email and I'll be happy to help you. If you want to do it yourself, please feel free to take all this free information that I just provide you and put it in action. And if you have any questions throughout the process, give me a call. Thank you very much for watching, and if you can give me a little bit of feedback on the video, I would really appreciate it. I'll do these things for free, and that actually makes my day. Thank you.